Well, here is the 3D printer. As you can see, I'm printing on mirrors. That thing over there with the two red things, that was the old heat bed. And I noticed we had a couple of mirrors in the house that were 3 feet long and fit it perfectly. Inside there's the control box, filament. There is the Z drive. X drive, heat print, J-head, fan, hot end. The rails are out of an Emery bordering machine. Rest of it's MDF. The steel rods are out of a foosball machine. Here's the Y drive. All the stuff inside. But anyway, it works. I'll get to making some Volkswagen parts one of these days, I hope.